How to create project in ClickUp 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a project in ClickUp in the easiest and most simplest way. So if you want to use ClickUp, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. And if you want to get started with creating a proper project section, what you're going to do is when you're in the main dashboard section of ClickUp, like this over here, to create a project, what you're going to do is you're going to come here on the left-hand side where it says space. You're going to click on new space, okay, and you're going to give it any name. We're going to click on continue. Now, from here, you're going to choose whatever type of workflow do you want. Now, obviously, I'm going to go with project management and click on create space. Now, once we do that, we have a proper project management space over here. And right about here, you can start creating proper projects. And if you want to go ahead and add a proper board for a project, you can go over to the template sections and the ClickUp templates give you proper projects. Okay. So let's say I'm just going to search up projects or project management over here. And as you can see, we have tons of event project planning, project status report, consulting project plan, and a whole lot more. So basically, that is how you're going to be creating projects in ClickUp 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.